Okay, so we are on example 4 of section 1-2, and they're throwing a real world problem at us. We love these. Woo! So it says the shipping cost for an order, like if you guys have you guys ever ordered something from like Amazon or eBay or something like that? So that's this situation. And you pay shipping cost, right? So shipping cost for an order at an online store is 1/10 the cost of the items. What is an expression for the total cost of a given order? What are the total costs for orders of $43, $79, $95, 103, blah blah blah. Okay, so the first thing that we should do is that I like to write it out as a sentence. So I like starting with my total. So what is the total thing that we're looking for? We're we're looking for the total cost. So total cost, and then that's going to equal something. Equals. So what's the total cost that you would pay for this order? Well, it's made up of the cost of the item plus what else is we're not just paying for the item, we're also paying a shipping cost, right? So shipping cost, which equals 1/10 of the cost of the item. So equals 1/10 cost of item. Okay, so now instead of all these big sentences, let's change these into like actual variables and constants and stuff like that. So let's define our variables. So let's say let x equal cost of item, right? So variables are things that change. So the thing that's changing here all the time is the cost of the item. So because it's, it could be $43, $79, $103, etc. So let's let x equal that, and then let's let y equal total cost. Okay, so we got y equals total cost. So let's say y equals cost of item, remember that's our x, plus 1/10 of the cost of item, which again is our x. And then so that is part of our answer here. We have our equation here. Now let's use this equation in order to find the cost that they ask for us. So maybe the best way to do this is a table. Make a table. Yeah, I love tables. So we have x, and then we have our expression, x plus 1/10 x, okay, and then we have our total cost. So this is cost of item. You can write this down in your notes. And then this y part of it is the total cost. So the different costs they give us is 43, and then 79, and then 95, and 103. Okay, so let's find out how much we have to pay for these different things. So this first one is 43 plus 1/10 times 43. This next one is 79 plus 1/10 times 79. And then this one is 95 plus 1/10 times 95. And then this one is 103 plus 1/10 times 103. Okay, so hang in there. Now we just need to crank out some calculations. You could use a calculator. But one thing that I can tell you is a little trick is that 1/10 of something is just the same as moving the decimal over one spot. So maybe we should just do this calculator. You might get confused. So let's just do, let's see, 43. So 1/10 is the same thing as 0.1 times 43 equals 4.3. And then we add that to 43. That equals 47.3. And then we do that for 79. So 0.1 times 79 equals 7.9 plus, whoops, plus 79 equals 86.9. Okay, then we got 95 times 0.1 equals 9.5 plus 95 equals 104. Ooh, that's a big order there. And then we got 103 times the 0.1. This is going to be the biggest order yet. Plus 103. That equals 113.3. Okay, so we did it. We found all the costs for this particular situation, and we set it up into a algebraic expression and found all the answers. That's it. Is there another example here? Nope. That's it for this problem. So if you need any help with this, make sure to ask. And if you feel like you have it, then go ahead and take the quiz for this section.